So many persons are wondering where they can buy sweatcoin, if they can buy it on their Trust Wallet or on MetaMask, where to swap it. All of those questions will be answered with this video. So stay tuned to the end, subscribe and like this video right now.
All right.
So apart from buying and performing most of these transactions on their official website, the cryptocurrency listed on their social media about 5 exchanges, top exchanges in the world, which they approved for everyone to actually buy from. Although they did not mention any decentralized exchange where one could buy from, but I believe apart from these exchanges I'm about to introduce to you guys, one could as well buy from Uniswap. Nevertheless, that was not mentioned on their official social media, but let's just be guided with whatever we are doing. So far so good. If you go through your sweatcoin app, you will see that you could actually directly buy the sweatcoin with card using this button right here, but the button is not yet activated because the coin is yet to be launched, the token is yet to be launched. So if you just click on that button, you could see there that you could buy with your bank card. That doesn't apply to those living in the country where cryptocurrency is banned, like Nigeria. So with that, you cannot, those persons cannot buy directly from the app with their card. But there are some list of exchanges that has already listed sweatcoin already, and those list of exchanges were mentioned in the sweatcoin official social media channels. Those exchanges include, so the first crypto exchange is OKX, then the next one is FTX. So you can not just buy, but you can as well trade on FTX. Then you can buy on Bitfinex. You can as well trade it on Bitfinex against the USDT pair. You can also buy it on Bybit and trade it as well on Bybit. Then you can also buy it on KuCoin and trade it as well on KuCoin. So I'm going to show you how to buy and trade it on KuCoin. So if I log into my KuCoin app right here, you can see that if I tap on the deposit button, I have to trade my history. So you can actually type sweat, and then you see sweat economy will come up. The name is no longer sweatcoin, it's called sweat economy because it's already in crypto. So you can see I'll be prompted to select the network, and then I'll be able to select either I'm selecting near network or Ethereum network, so I can deposit from anywhere else. Okay, but nevertheless, KuCoin are launching it. They are launching it on why after their launch. Now you'll be able to buy. You'll be able to buy. You'll be able to trade it with USDT pair. Okay, so you'll be able to trade it with USDT pair on their platform. So if I tap on this new listing right here, so they will show some new token that will be listed today, Tuesday being on the 13th. So this is the crypto that will be listed on Tuesday being the 13th. So if I tap on the sweatcoin right there, now although KuCoin already pre-described the price that they are going to list sweatcoin at, they already showed the price they're going to list sweatcoin at. Yeah, they already showed the price as 0.00714. But if we go to coin market cap and check the price there, its sweatcoin is already $1. So this is a bit of a confusion, but this is believed to have been the present movement, internal movement of the cryptocurrency. You can see it's already almost $1, approximately $1 right here on the coin market cap, and the price is yet to be updated because it's not yet launched. Okay, so on KuCoin, how you can actually trade it is the same way you trade on your normal Binance or do your normal trade on KuCoin. All you need to do to buy it is, first of all, you need to have your USDT ready. So when you have your USDT ready, go to trade. So when you click on trade, you need to switch this from limit to market. which means that you want to buy it immediately, then where you are seeing ETH/USDT, tap on it to select the pair you want to trade. For now, sweatcoin will not be in the it's not in the market yet to trade, so I'm just going to give you an instance. So you have to type sweat, so you will see it's something like sweat slash, it will be something like this slash USDT. So with that, now you can enter the amount you want to use. Like for me, let me just choose a random coin, this versus USDT. Go enter 100%. Okay, I need to transfer my coin from spot wallet, from main wallet to trading wallet. So my USDT is now in my trading wallet. So what I need to do is click on this, and then so if I want to trade anything, you could see my USDT balance reflecting right here. It's reflecting right here. So I could decide to enter 100% or 50% or 75%. Once I click buy, I've bought that cryptocurrency. So that's how to buy on KuCoin. That's how you can buy your sweatcoin. So just wait for the pairs to be available in the market, then you can buy. And once you buy, it will reflect right here that you've actually bought a crypto.
So now you have gotten to this point of this video, please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at Barenwa Tradex, Facebook at Barenwa. Alright, and then we'll do other things from there.